Hello my beautiful people, happy Easter. I hope you guys have a wonderful time with your friends and family. Today we have this beautiful pastelish pink, very playful makeup look, so perfect for this weather and time of the year. I think it goes along with the theme, you know, Easter, bunnies, colors, colored eggs, you know, all that beautiful colorful pastelish theme. So this is what we're gonna do. So this is what we're gonna do in today's video. If you guys want to see how I created this effortless, very effortless if you allow me to add. So if you guys want to see how I created this beautiful pinkish, pastelish, Easter perfect eye makeup look or makeup look, then keep on watching. Because I'm gonna use pastel colors, I want to have a very bright white base under so the color will show. If you use concealer, the pastel colors won't be as bright. So I feel like my Louise eyeshadow base is pretty white, but I don't know why I kind of want to go with this NYX eyeshadow. This is not the eyeshadow, this is the Jumbo eye pencil in the shade Milk. Let's see how that goes. So I'm going to apply a little bit of this and then blend it with my brush. I don't know why, but I feel like this will crease on my lids, so definitely I'm not a fan of that, but let's just go with the flow, I guess. I'm gonna go with my Louise eyeshadow base. Okay, next I'm gonna go with a transition shade, and I'm using the Sheglam eyeshadow palette. I think I'm gonna go with Escape because it has that pinkish nude finish. You see? Can you guys see it? So this will be my transition shade. Okay, not bad. Oh my goodness, it's so bright. You guys, the sun is out. It's a little bit cloudy. I do have my ring light, so I really hope the lighting is okay. Next, let's go with the pink or purple. I mean lilac. I think I'm gonna go with pink because I love pink. So I'm gonna take this beautiful Luxe Petite Crease brush and pick the shade, tap, then I'm going to top it. You can use whatever color you like, but as I said, I love pink, so I'm gonna go with pink, obviously. Oh my goodness, I like this already, and I feel like this is very effortless. You can do a wing liner if you feel like so. I was planning to do a few little white dots and then go with color on top to create this flowers like design in there, but because I have this two little pony, I feel like that will look a little bit childish on me, so I'm gonna skip that. But you can totally do this. Dip the end of your brush and then create a little flower. This is the ugliest flower ever, but you get the point, right? Okay, that's the flower. And then you can take different colors or maybe the same color. So I'm gonna go with pink because I used pink with this brush. Tap it all over it and boom, you have a beautiful spring-like color. What flower? Should I do this on my eye? No, I'm not gonna do it, but yeah, you get the point, right? I kind of want to do it, but I kind of don't want to do it because as I said, it will look childish on me. So I'm not gonna go with that look today, okay? We are going with this feminine, colorful, spring-like Easter pastelish vibe. Okay, so that's the vibe for today, but you can totally try this flower hack. So now I'm going to, I can't talk. Now I'm going to build the pink color because I want it a little bit more intense. And as I said, you can go do a wing liner or a tiny little flower at the end if you don't want to keep it simple, but today I'm gonna keep it simple because simple is pretty. Okay, I'm gonna do the same on my other eye, but I'm not gonna talk. I know it looks a little bit basic, so you can totally go with a little bit of glitter on top, sparkle, shimmer, whatever. I want to take this to the next level, so I'm gonna use just a little bit of this diamond dust, just a little bit. So I'm not gonna use any glue to make this stick, okay, because I just want a little bit of sparkle in there. I'm going to go with this brush, and let's see if I can just grab a little bit on the brush. Ooh, that's a lot, right? Okay, now I'm going to tap it. Oh my god, do you guys see it? It looks so beautiful, but I feel like that's a little bit too much. So I know I said simple is beautiful, but simple with a little bit of glitter on top is absolutely stunning. Okay, it doesn't have to be like simple boring. It looks 10 times better in my mirror than it looks in my viewfinder, because camera is intimidated by these little sparkles on my lids. I'm just kidding, you guys, but it looks way much better in real life than it looks on camera. Okay, next I'm gonna do my face makeup super fast. I'm gonna zoom you out a little bit. So that's it, we are done with the eyes. I'm telling you, if you want to do a wing liner, you do you, Beau, but I want to keep this as simple as possible. But as I said, simple doesn't mean boring, okay? Simple doesn't mean it has to be boring. I already applied this Illamasqua primer. It has those tiny little shiny sparkles. As you can see, my forehead is super shiny because of this primer. You can also use the Rare Beauty primer. So I'm going to try to move very fast, because you saw me doing my face makeup a million times before, and I feel like nothing changed in my routine. And by the why are you crying? This foundation is crying. By the way, I know it says full coverage. Don't get fooled. This is not full coverage. This is a medium, very buildable coverage foundation. And the less you apply, the more natural it will look on your skin. Also, it won't gather into your fine lines, smile lines, all that stuff. And indeed is a very lightweight finish foundation. Like, you cannot feel it on your face, which I love. Okay, I did just a little bit of cream contour on my nose, but just on my nose. Next I'm going to go with concealer, and I'm going to apply it with a brush. Next I'm going to set my under eyes, and I'm using my Sheglam powder. I love this one so much. And to apply it, I'm gonna use my puff, also from Sheglam or Shein, whatever. So first I'm gonna set my creases, or smooth out my creases, and with a very light pressure I'm gonna set this. I'm going to smooth out my smile lines as well, because they look crazy during the day. But with this foundation, you can smooth them out super easy. I love this foundation so much. You guys need to try it out if you guys haven't so far. This is your sign. You need to try out this foundation, because I love it. And if I love it, you're gonna love it as well. If you have dry skin, dry to normal skin, you're gonna love it. If you have oily skin, I don't know what to say about that, because I do not have oily skin. But if you set it, I feel like it will work for you as well. To bronze my face, I'm using my Physicians Formula. This is my favorite bronzer ever. And I'm gonna use it with a brush like this one. This is an this is an angle brush, because I still want a little bit of definition on my cheekbones, or under my cheekbones. You see? Just a little bit. Alright, it looks good. A little bit on my forehead. I don't know if it does anything, but it makes me look a little bit bronzed at least. For blush, I'm gonna use my NYX blush palette. This is the Sweet Cheeks Adorable. What? I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna mix these two and a little bit of this one because it has some glitter in it. I mean shine, shimmer, whatever. And my brush is packed. Definitely don't want that much product on my brush. Okay, yeah, I think that's enough. I went a little bit crazy. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. I'm gonna skip highlights. So on my bottom lash line, I kind of don't want to apply anything there because anyway, I'm gonna go with the nude shade from the Sheglam palette, and I'm going to connect the end right here just a little bit so it looks like everything flows together, and all these colors are living in harmony on my face. Okay, nice. Let me just go with a little bit of pink because why not? Oh, I got that in my eye. Oh my god, this was easy peasy, you guys. I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera and be right back. On my lips, I'm going to go with this Essence lip liner. This is in the shade Legendary. And then I'm gonna go with the NYX Soft Cream. And I know this is again pink, but we are living our pink fantasy right here, okay? I'm going to slightly contour my lips. And right in the center, I'm going to go with this soft matte lip cream. This is not extremely matte, don't get scared. And I'm creating that soft pink ombre look. You can apply lip gloss if you want to. I feel like I want to keep them soft matte. You can go with fake lashes, or you can just apply a little bit of mascara and you are ready to go. But I'm gonna go with lashes because you know me. Okay, so it's been 2 hours since the last clip you saw. I went and I had lunch, but my makeup was done. I was just missing the lashes, so I just redid my lips because, you know, I had lunch and lipstick kind of disappeared, or maybe I ate it. And also I applied some Demi Wispies, my favorites. These are not extremely crazy, so you can still see what the heck is going on my lids. And I think that's it. This is the makeup look. I honestly love how pink and girly it is. I don't know why, but I'm wearing a pink shirt as well. I have a little bit of purple on my nails, so everything is so pink and purple. I love it. With that being said, this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please let me know what you think down below if you would give this a try. I honestly love how pink it is. Pink, but it's not like extremely pink, you know, it's not like Barbie pink. It's like a soft, beautiful pastel pink. I do like this whole look, to be completely honest with you guys. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care. Happy Easter, and I hope you guys have a wonderful time with your friends and family. Make memories, take a lot of pictures, play games, enjoy the beautiful weather. I mean, if it's nice out, eat a lot of food, and as I said, make a lot of memories. Anyway, so that's it for today. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye! I don't know what the heck I'm talking about. I should go edit this video because it's like 4 o'clock and this video should go up at 8, or at least 8 or around 8 p.m. So I have like 4 hours to edit and upload. I still have to take some pictures. I do well under the pressure. Not all the time, but let's hope today I can pull this out, because I still have to edit this video, take some pictures. Okay, bye!